Good evening, everyone. My name is Antonio Burlaos. Tonight, I discuss my understanding about the three philosophical, and I choose three. First, Socrates, Plato, and John Locke. First is Socrates. Socrates believed that understanding yourself is the key to understand life. And I believe that because I believe there's understanding myself helps me to improve and make better decisions in life. And also self-awareness allows me to recognize both my strengths and weaknesses. For example, me as a criminology student, I relate to Socrates' idea of know you know yourself, because it helps me understand why I chose this course and what kind of law enforcement officer I want to become. By reflecting on my goals, values, and responsibility. And the second is Plato. Plato believed that the true self is the soul, and that the soul guides our thoughts, actions, and decisions. So, for example, as a student, there are times when I face challenges and temptations, such as getting distracted from my studies. By listening to my conscience or conscience and focusing on my goals, I make better decisions. This show how my self guides my actions and help me to become better person. So one is John Locke. John Locke believed that the self is based on consciousness and memory. According to him, a person remains the same individual because of the memories and experience, and they can remember. Our identity is not found in the body but in our awareness of ourselves and our past experience. So according to John Locke or Locke, a person remains the same individual because of the memories and experience they can remember. So for me, we are the same because me, I remember my memories and experience and my identity. So, and that's all, and thank you.